How to add bullets in WhatsApp message. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add a bullet in your messenger. So add a bullet point in your WhatsApp messages. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app and get logged into your WhatsApp account number. Now let's go ahead and open up any chat. In order to add a bullet point, all you have to do is tap onto the hyphen symbol and tap onto space. As you do so, it will come up as a bullet point. Tap onto your hyphen option and tap onto your space. And just like so, this is how you can create a bullet point in your WhatsApp account messages. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.